to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about this 98 Jeep Cherokee today. I'm going to talk a little bit how much it cost me. So as you know, it's got the 4.5 inch lift, rough country. It's got the 33 inch mud tires, and it's got a 16 by 8 Vision wheels. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about it today, and I'll talk a little bit about how much it cost me. Alright guys, so a few years ago I bought this Jeep. It cost me $500, and then I purchased a rough country 4.5 inch lift. That also cost me $500. Then I bought these wheels right here. They're 16 by 8 Vision wheels. Those cost me $263. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about these tires. I got these off my dad a long time ago from a company he worked at, so these didn't cost me anything. There's a lot cheaper routes you can go with. So now I'm going to talk about what I actually have in this Jeep. So of all the stuff I named off, that leaves me at $1,263. So that really ain't bad. This right here is just a basic setup. So say for instance, if you wanted to buy these tires here, that'd cost you $2,263. But that's just if you want to buy these, and there's always ways around it. You can get some tires a lot cheaper than others. So I still got some more stuff I'm going to do to it. The stuff I'm going to do to it ain't really necessary. Just some stuff I'd like to do to it, so just keep that in mind. Guys, I believe that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.